Today we are going to understand how to perform or how to place the background in case of our table. You can just see a slide on your screen. It will show you how we have to place the background color or graphic at the background of the table. You can just follow the step 1, 2 and 3, and that way you can able to place it the background in case of table. And then the second thing we have to understand how to place a graphic background. That means a picture. We can see three steps are also there in placing a graphic in our table. These two things we are going to understand in this video. So let's go student, we'll do this thing practically. For this I am opening our previous table only that I have saved. You have to just double click it. I have also shown you the step how to save your open office writer file. So I have saved this table earlier in our first video only, and we are carrying our next task on the same table. So today we are going to understand how to place a background, graphic background, or either placing a color in the cell, row or column or entire table. So for that, what you have to do, you have to first of all select any cell. If I want to color a cell, so you have to select a cell. Like I am selecting row. Then you have to go on the table option, and in that table you have option this table property. There you have this color, and if you click on this drop down menu, you will have one more option, that is graphic. So first of all we are changing the color. We can do color, and for what you have to do, you have to do for the cell. So otherwise you can click on the here also, and drop down menu you can select row, table also. Now I am selecting only cell, and then you have to select the color, whichever color that you want to give to cell. So I am selecting green. Look student, you can see the preview how the green color looks on this table, and then you have to click OK. Now student, you can see that cell is in green in color. You want to change the color of the cell, again I am showing you. You have to select the cell, like I have selected Ajay and grade 3, this one, and then you have to go on the table option. Then you have to select table property option, and then color is already there, cell is also there. Just you have to select one color that you want to put in this cell. Then you can see the preview, that is yellow color you are going to place in the cell. Then press OK. Now you can see the cell is in yellow in color. That is how you can give a color to the cell. You can give the color to the entire table also, like you have to select entire table, and then same step you have to follow, table, table property, and then you have to select table, okay, and like blue color, or you can select any light color so that you can see the change. Okay, now you have to press OK. You can see that earlier cell that is of green and yellow color, that is the same color that I have done, and the rest of the remaining table has changed into somewhat darker yellow in color. So at once also you can change the color of the entire table also. Now you have to do the graphic. Place a graphic in the cell or table. Like I want to place a graphic on the heading only. So for that also you can go with the table. First of all you have to select the row, column, cell, anything wherever you want to place the graphic. Then go on the table property, and here you have option color. There you have to click on drop down menu and click graphic. So student, if you want to place a graphic picture, you have to select over here graphic, and then cell or row, anything that you want to place. Then you have to click on browse button. As you click on the browse button, it will open your computer system, and one of the pictures that you want to place is select that one and press OK. Now you can see the image preview, how it looks on your window when we place it in the table. And you can select the position, area or type. I'm selecting area, and then you have to click OK. You can see the picture is now displayed at the background of the table. Yes, student, once again I am going to show you how to place a graphic picture. You have to select the table either or column or row, then click on table, go to table property, select, like I'm selecting row. First you have to do this thing, selecting cell, row or table. I've selected row, then click on graphic, then click on browse. Then any picture that you want to display, you can select, like I'm selecting this teddy. Then you can click on open. As you click on open, you can see a preview of your picture on your screen. Then you can select area or tile or position. I'm selecting this time position. You can click on OK. Now you can see that image of teddy that is placed in the table at the background of the table. So I hope student you have understood this two things, how to place the background graphically or with any color. Do it practically. Thank you, student.